Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings now, press Windows plus I or click Start and choose the gear. Once there, go to Update and Security and select Windows Update so you see current status. Make sure you're signed in with an administrator account because changing pause settings requires permissions. While you're on this screen, note any pending updates. This affects what pause will do. Once done, move on to choosing how long to pause and where to configure advanced pause options. Now choose the pause length. Click Pause Updates for 7 days for a quick hold, or open Advanced Options to pick a specific date up to 35 days. In Advanced Options, you can also see Restart Scheduling and Delivery Optimization settings. Adjust those if large files are a concern. If you want fewer downloads overall, set your network as a metered connection. This reduces automatic updates and helps bandwidth. Finally, confirm the pause by checking the pause end date on the Windows Update page. It should show when updates will resume. You can resume updates manually at any time by clicking Resume Updates, or simply let the date arrive and the system will continue. If the setting reverts or refuses to apply, check Group Policy or Mobile Device Management profiles and run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. This fixes common permission and service issues. If problems persist, reboot and try again. That often clears locks on update services.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.